I'm cheap and I like nice things.
Please, allow me to show you something.
Hello, welcome back to this Trini World. Happy Labor Day to my people in Trinidad and Tobago, and thank you again for tuning in to another video. So, as you can tell by the title, we're doing something a little different today. Today, I'm going to be unboxing and trying on some cute prescription glasses for you guys. Now, obviously, as I continue to do more videos, you're going to learn more things about me. One, I'm cheap and I like nice things. If you're interested in seeing what I got for under $100 US, continue watching. Let's get into the unboxing. So getting right into the unboxing, this is the packaging that it came in. This is what it was shipped in, sealed by the company's label, Firmoo, on both sides. And it came in a cardboard box, being the glasses. I mentioned in the video previously when I purchased from them, I purchased from this site already, and it came in a plastic glasses case. Honestly, I really don't mind this packaging at all. So yeah, I purchased 2 frames, and yeah, this is the packaging. So I was talking to my friend Zoe while filming this, and she gets a little cameo. So yeah, so in the box comes the glasses in a pouch, which doubles as a cleaning cloth, little paper, a manual about caring for your glasses, ish like that, important things, and then 2 coupons for 50% off other purchases. Yeah, and opening the other box, ta-da! Same thing, comes in a pouch, and box is empty. Boom. So let's just get that box and frame so you know who the glasses are from. Not like it's important. Well, kind of is if you're looking for cheap prescription glasses that are also cute. So these are the first frames, guys. This is like my 3rd pair of clear frames, and I don't care. I love it. And one of the reasons I started purchasing frames online is because I was just fed up of the selection in Trinidad and Tobago. I went to different stores, all of them like have the same basic looking glasses, and I just wanted something cute because I like cute things. So this is the second pair, which is more, I don't know, stylish, I don't know, has more character. So anyway, so these are the 2 glasses, and I'll get into the try on of these frames. Yeah guys, so from the unboxing, these are the boxes that these are the boxes that the frames came in, as we saw the post side. But just as for comparison, as I told you, I ordered from this side before, and the glasses actually came in this case. Nice hard plastic case, simple, protects the glasses. But just for comparison, I'm not too sure if obviously there's a cost saving mechanism, but honestly, I have enough glasses cases, so it's honestly not a big problem for me. And guys, if you're buying frames for like this cheap, how could you be complaining about the box that it comes in? Like, I don't see it. Anyway, so yeah, so as I showed you, my funny box has the frames, right? So this is one of the first frames that I got, and guys, this is like the 3rd pair of clear frames that I have, and I don't really care, because could you tell me that it's not cute? You can't, because it is. So yeah, so this is the frame, and I just love it. I love gold. So any accents with gold, it's definitely me. So let me just pull up the cost for this particular frame. So this glasses, I got it with as a distance lens, so it's for driving, and I got a coating of anti-reflective, well, an anti-glare, anti-reflective coating on these glasses because I have astigmatism, and in driving in the night, you know, like the lights just look like a beaming star. So I got these as a distance driving lens, and that was like 26 US for the lens, and the frame was $24, right? So that's this frame, guys. Like, KJ, like, yeah. Comment below. Actually, no. When I try the other frames, let me know which one you prefer. So, okay, so comment. Let me know. Comment below if you think that this frame is cute. These frames are cute. So, frame 1 is frame 1 cute. Is it cute? Yeah. So, this is the first frame. And then the second frame. Like, these are so cute, and persons are so accustomed to seeing my clear frames. They love this. I actually had another frame with a similar frame, but it was on the full glass, and it was like on the side. So anyway, ready. Boom. Guys. Is this cute? Frame 2. Comment below. Is it cute? So these frames, what I got these frames, I put the blue light blocking lens on it, and what the blue light blocking lens is basically the blue light that you get from screens, computers, tablets, etc. It's supposed to block those blue lights. If it's scientifically proven, if it really works or not, IDK, but better safe than sorry, right? So the coating of the blue light blocking lens, this was 16 US for the coating, and the frames were 30 US. Okay, so yeah, guys, so those are these frames. So this is basically like my work glasses. When I'm working, I'm gonna be behind the computer for long, which is like all the time I'm behind the computer. So these are my frames for that. Yeah. So in total for my 2 frames, it was BOGO, being buy one get one free for the frames, but you pay for the lens. So in total with everything, it came up to 95 US and 88 cents. Shipping is $5.95 US. I didn't have to pay for shipping. When I purchased it, it was free shipping. So subtract $5.95, and then the frames, which was $23.99, and they subtracted that cost. So my total was 71 US and 89 cents, basically being 72 US, right? And multiply by 6.8, under $500. Then I paid $50 TT to clear it at my shipping box. Because guys, I told you I'm cheap, so I'm using one of the cheapest skybox providers, and yeah, I paid $50 TT to clear it. So I was so happy. And this site, Firmoo, they always have a sale. They always have a sale. Yeah, I'm really happy with my purchase. If you're interested in purchasing frames from Firmoo, check the link in the description. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment below, let me know which frames you preferred, if it was frame 1 or frame 2. So that's the first one was the clear transparent frame, and this one is the Cateye. What print is this? I don't know, but comment below and tell me which one's cuter, frame 1 or frame 2. So thank you for tuning in to another video, and like this video if you found my glasses to be cute and subscribe if you're interested in seeing more of this Trini will. Bye.